close to extinction. And honestly, it's not because they're strong.